All right, I got a chance to read the phase 2, welcome to the new era. I like some of this information here, and I'm only going to go over a few things just to make this easier for you. I do have the link in the description. You can read this whole article. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification when you see videos just like this. Let's go ahead and dive into this. Thank you so much, Satoshi, for putting this information out, because knowledge is key, especially in the Shibaswap. So, then one of the main things that I really got out of this, and I'll scroll all the way down, is the first thing, you probably want to know this too, is when all these rewards is supposed to be coming to their actual accounts. And it says so right here, we have decided to move return distribution to a bi-weekly fashion. Now, we just got a rewards not that long ago, so it looked like they're going to go with a bi-weekly fashion. I'm okay with that as long as it happens. I like the fact that they're communicating with us instead of just we find out on a different way. So I like this, and there's reasons behind that, and I'm okay with that as long as it's consistent and it happens in a consistent fashion. The second thing that I noticed is that some of these allocation points has been reduced, some has been increased. I'm okay with that as well, is because it's making enough room for some new allocation points and new pairings. Now, I've already personally invested into one of these pairings of the Shib and Wrap Ethereum. So that's going to go up to 500 to the new one, 700 allocation points. I'm okay with that, of course. And then also, I'm also investing to the other two that has been affected even more versus some of these other ones, is that the LEASH bone has went to 900 to 450, and the Shib bone 600, 300. I'm okay with that because of leaving room for other ones to come in. And some other one has been reduced that you see on this list as well. So it's making room for some of these new listings here. And I'm going to check a few of them out to see how they go and see if this is going to work with my portfolio. So I'm okay with that. And it actually tells you how you can add it in here and how you can take advantage of the opportunity. The next thing I like about is the partial opening of the Doggy DAO, which is going to be really good for the fully decentralized. Now, Shib is more than just a meme coin. This is a movement. And now they're adding all these things into this ecosystem to make this not only a place where you can take full opportunity. And I like this part here. The Doggy DAO allows us to officially open the swap for new tokens that will gain AP, which is allocation points, in our wolfable pools. Absolutely. So it's going to make it easy for the transition. And I like the fact that they're communicating with as well. So it's going to bring more pairings, more opportunity, more things that you can take advantage of, especially some of your favorite coins. That could be pairing as well. And I like the fact they even have an email address, for in terms of submitting proposal or anything like that. So that's good. One more last thing here. I like the recap. They gave us a recap of the launch and the Shibarian and all that stuff. I'm not going to go completely over this, but the stuff that I liked is basically already talked about, is giving us information when the bone rewards is going to be out, the new pairings, the Doggy DAO, and the fact that they're working behind the scenes to making this not only a place where you can get returns and take opportunity, but it's a movement. Look at this right here. The Shibarian financial ecosystem. I will count this as phase 3 as it requires a complete Shibarian. For now, we will skip this. So it lets me know more things is coming. And this is stuff that I'm talking about. I understand you invest into Shib or LEASH and Bone, and you may not be where you wanted to be, but just not financial advice, but just hang on because more things are coming in the pipeline. And they telling you about this. I got to zoom in so you can see it. Look at this. It's ShibNet, the financial institution. I just, listen, man. I'm not going to read all this type of information. The stuff that I wanted to really bring out is when the returns are coming in, and also the fact that new pairings are coming in. Yes, the allocation points has been reduced, but it lets me know that it's going to be on. As more information comes through this pipeline into this ecosystem, it's going to be a powerful force. They're thinking more not just a coin or a meme coin or just an investment. This is a movement. This is something that you should be really excited about, I'm telling you. So I'll have the link in the description in terms you can read the whole article. I just want to go over a couple of things that I like about it. And I'm going to take advantage of some of these new listings here to see if it fits my portfolio. I may do a video about one of these to see how you can grab it and see how it's doing in terms of the reward system. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Take your time, read the whole information. They even have information on how you can get back to them. And I like the fact that they're communicating. That's key. A lot of times you don't really get the information the way you like it. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.